These five guys were friends before they were bandmates. Their sound's been compared to the Goo Goo Dolls and Matchbox 20. And now here they are in our 8-channel studios, Seventh Rain with Letting Go.
And now I'm walking away from this dream. I'm just letting go. I'm changing to a world without you. I'm letting go. I'm falling. Turn your back, hide the pain. Your tears aren't enough for me. Finally I'm free. You're feeling a void that's in your soul. And now there's nowhere left to go. 'Cause I'm letting go. Feelings that you never showed, I'm letting go. At the door, but no one's home. How does it feel to be me now? Seeing your world turn upside down. Changing in a world without me. I'm letting go. I'm falling. You're falling. Falling, go. I'm not playing with these games anymore. I'm letting go. I'm falling, we're falling.
Don't want to trip on anything. Ryan, introduce me to the rest of the fellas.
All right.
This
we got my man. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
We got Rich McFarlane playing guitar here. Matt McLaughlin playing bass. My man Phil Grossi playing the drums on the back here.
Excellent.
My partner in crime, Jordan Nakaska, and I'm Ryan Williams.
Awesome. Now, Jordan, you guys are going to be singing with Fame for Food. Tell me about that.
Saturday at the Mackenzie Town IGA. We're going to be doing some Christmas carols, trying to get people involved for some charity over Christmas, because less fortunate people out there, so do what we can.
And you guys are also working on a full-length album currently?
Yeah. Yeah, it's, we're in the process of just finishing up the songs, booking some studio time, and hopefully it'll be out by spring.
Excellent. So, yeah. You guys are going to stick around and do another song for us?
We're
awesome.
Indeed.
Now back up to Edmonton.
Now we've got just enough time to send it down to Calgary for one more song from Seventh Rain. Thanks everybody, we'll see you Monday. Have sweet dreams.
Believe in anything, I cannot see or feel. I've learned to know the difference now between what's fake and real. So why did you have to change? Well, I'm not that informable, and Lord knows I'm to blame. Tomorrow's just a dream, today is reality.
And there was a kick line to go with that. The big countdown there.
Exactly. We're having a lot of fun down here in Mackenzie Town. Famed for food. Bring your food down here. We've got a good donation so far.
Yeah, there's like a pile of food over there. Lots and lots. And we have, this is a new band? Are you guys a new band?
Fairly new.
Okay, it's Ryan and Jordan.
Yes.
I got to say those names before. I'll get them out before. And the name of your band?
Seventh Rain.
And you guys are going to be at Original Joe's, correct?
That's right, tonight at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Yeah, you guys better get that pat before. You got to know.
Now, I understand that you guys had an original way of collecting some food.
Yeah, well, we were down at the Eau Claire Market busking and trying to get people involved this week so that they can get the donations down to you guys so that we can get to the less fortunate people in the city. So,
great, we really appreciate it. We're doing really well down here so far. We're going to be here till 6, Jeb?
6 o'clock. That's, I believe, we're splitting a mic now.
Oh, we're
All right.
But when we return 7th, 11th, will shower us with sound.
But all these eyes are getting old.
A little abuse. I can remember before the break when I said 7-11. That's just crazy. I was thinking Slurpees. I had them on my mind because summer's coming. But really what I meant to say is Seventh Rain. They are a very cool Calgary band. And just yesterday they stopped by our A-Channel studios in Calgary to play some songs and to chat a little bit. And A-Channel's Christine Murphy was there to do the honors.
It's all rock and it's all original, and here to perform Stop the Music from their brand new CD, Hiding Within, Seventh Rain.
Shadow of your dream, am I the one who takes control? Am I the plain dead? Am I the loser in your game? Am I the one who lets you fall? music, play the game of my true father. Feel there's something, never had the chance to be this trusting. Couldn't let the thought of promise fall away. And in this life, you see, I'm waiting all the while you're hesitating. Guess I'll be the one to change. Taking all the time I know. This is my end. But all these lies are getting old. Take me from this. Can you tell me when I will reach the end? Can you tell me when? Oh. Can you tell me when I will reach the end? Can you tell me when? Can you tell me when? Yeah. Stop the music.
Cut, cut, cut. Stop the music. No, I'm just joking. Oh, you guys are back and you sound better than ever.
Thank you.
Yes. So, Ryan,
Thank you very
introduce me
much.
to the rest of the guys.
All right, we got my man Rich on the guitar. We got Matt on the bass. My bro Phil on the drums.
Awesome.
And I'm Ryan.
Awesome. And so you guys got brand spanking new CD.
Brand new album. We worked on it a few months ago, actually. We started to work on it and write material. And we spent 10 days actually over at Music Center Canada Studios, just on 37th Street. Worked with a guy named Kelly, and great experience.
And so where can we hear this brand new CD?
This weekend we're playing at the King's Head Pub on McLeod Trail, and I believe it's 90th. Sorry if I'm mistaken, but I'm pretty sure.
King's
And,
Head Pub's probably more
yeah.
than enough.
Friday and Saturday, and be there around 9:30. She'll start around 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Oh,
depending
okay.
on
That
the
sounds
crowd.
good. And so you guys have been touring these last few months, and then you have a whole bunch of high-profile gigs coming up as well.
Yeah, we toured throughout Western Canada pretty much since the end of January till now, and
like fun.
we're in Calgary for the next little while. But after our CD release, we've got next weekend we're playing at Sal's on 17th, and then we've got Princess Island Park. We're playing Canada Day during the day, and then we've got the Coke Stage July 7th. At,
Stage 13 too.
yeah.
Whole bunch of stuff, so we can check out your
Awesome.
website, which we will make sure is
Tons
up
of
on the
stuff.
screens. What are you guys going to sing for us next?
Hold on.
Hold on. Stick around.
Wouldn't dream of going anywhere because we got more Wired on the way, and we will look forward to another tune from Seventh Rain. That's their name, but
Within the lines, living a lie, finding there's more than what we know. Maybe I'm blind, but wasting my time. This is a heart you can't ignore. Open your eyes and see more. I can be everything, no, nothing to you. Just don't let it pass. Play
play a little bit for us right now. Here they are on The Big Breakfast.
In the beginning, I was just thinking how everything was right, but the memories are fading. I'm anticipating what is yet to come. We were a fiction caused by addiction, just a shadow from the past. As I held you in my arms, I knew things would never be the same. And now I'm moving on. I see a light shine down on me. And now I'm walking away from the street. I'm just letting go. I'm changing to worry about you. I'm letting go. I'm falling. You turn your back, hide the pain. You cry, your tears aren't enough for me. Finally, I'm free. You're feeling a void that's in your soul. And now there's nowhere left to go, 'cause I'm letting go. Feelings that you never showed, I'm letting go. I'm falling. You're falling. How does it feel now that you're alone? Knocking the door, but no one's home. How does it feel to be me now? Seeing your world turn upside down. You're changing in a world without me. I'm letting go. I'm falling. You're falling. Hey! I'm letting go. Walking on different paths. I'm letting go. I'm falling. We're falling. Go. I'm not playing with these games anymore. I'm letting go. I'm falling.
Seventh Rain. Guys, sound great. Thank you very much for coming by. That's our. Now, Seventh Rain is with us here, and they're going to be doing a gig, and I'm not sure where it is because I don't have it, but I'm going to give all this to you. There are CDs with us right here, and we're going to hear them sing a little bit for us. Here they are, The Big Breakfast.
This is the last time I say goodbye. I've seen the pain screaming in your eyes. You say you're waiting for the other side. I live my life with someone else's side. Can't go one night without a single fight. Watch as I hide from all this pain inside. I'm bleeding, I've seen it. I
Thank you so much, Ryan and the gang, for coming by here and sounding so great. If people want to see you, where are they going to go?
Come tonight at Sal's on 17th.
That's where you guys will be.
Night.
You'll be there. Well, thank you guys very much. Seventh Rain with us here. Guys, thanks for coming by.
Here is Stage 13, and they're here tonight. They have a local gig coming up for the weekend. We'll tell you about it after they play. This is Seventh Rain. And you can catch Seventh Rain this weekend. They're playing at Original Joe's in Kensington. And next Friday, Seventh Rain is at SAIT for a Battle of the Bands. We have tons going on over the next month and lots to talk about. Here now is Calgary's own Seventh Rain.
I can tell you something now. May have heard it, but it's still worth it. Let you know my heart's been calling out. You're the life I wanna live. I know there's something I can give. It's been taken time to face it, but this fear is fading now.
nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
How's it going?
Really good, actually.
All right.
Really good.
All right. Yeah, you got lots to be happy about. But
Yeah.
first, I'll get you to introduce the guys in the band.
Okay, we got the bass player Matt over here.
How's it
We
going?
got the guitar player Rich over here. We got Phil back on the drums.
Working hard behind the kit?
And I'm Ryan.
Awesome. Thanks so much for coming, you guys. Now, you guys have really a sweet month lined up for yourselves. Tell us what's going on this weekend.
Well, we have Stage 13 coming up this weekend, so we're pretty pumped about that.
Big, big,
Yeah.
big. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And what day are you guys playing?
It's the Thursday at 8 o'clock,
Right.
the first day.
And you're going to kick around and...
Oh yeah, all weekend we're there. So.
Yeah, awesome. That'll be cool. And you guys are also going to play a couple of dates in Calgary and Edmonton for the next couple weeks?
Yeah, we got the Coke Stage on July 15th for the Alberta Rocks night. We're playing at 8:40 p.m. and
That's
then
in
a week
Calgary?
after that, yeah, that's here in Calgary.
Yeah.
And a week after that, exactly to the day on a Thursday, we're playing Klondike Days up in Edmonton. So
That's awesome.
yeah, we're pretty pumped.
Yeah, some big dates for you guys. All right, and if people want more info, you guys got a website to check out?
www.seventhrain.com, all spelt out.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so much, you guys, for coming by. We're going to hear more from Seventh Rain after the break, and we have lots more coming up on Wired, so stay with us.
Trying to figure out what your life's about, but you lost a view of me and you. You say I'm trying to change, but you stay the same. You're wrong, so wrong. Oh, your life goes round in circles. Oh, there's time goes. I'm still running back to you. Now it's been a while since I've seen you smile. I've been moving on 'cause you finally gone. Have you changed your ways, or have you stayed the same? I'm lost, so lost. Oh, your life goes round in circles. Oh, there's time goes. I'm still running back to you. Back to you. Back to you. To you. I'm running back to you.
Awesome. Thanks so much, guys.
It's kind of taken on from an individual perspective to this sort of music distribution kind of thing. So.
And that's great. Like
Yeah.
here we've got Seventh Rain is on today, and they're going to be performing. They won a contest through Vibe, and so there you go. You
Yep.
search it out because they're on MySpace.
Yeah.
Degrees going up to a high of 8 degrees today. Well, Seventh Rain, they were so happy a few weeks ago when they found out that they were the big winners, the unsigned Vibe winners. Vibe put on this contest, Vibe 98.5, and so they won this prize of $100,000 to record a CD BT, market it, and tour. They're on their way. They look fabulous. They sound fabulous. They're going to be live at the Rusty Cage next Thursday, and here they are on BT.
Trying to figure out what your life's about, but you lost the view of me and you. You say you'll try to change, but stay the same. You're wrong, wrong. Oh, your life goes round in circles. All this time goes, I'm still running back to you. Now it's been a while since I've seen you smile, but I've been moving on, 'cause you're finally gone. Well, have you changed your ways, or have you stayed the same? I'm lost, so lost, yeah. Oh, your life goes round in circles. All this time goes, I'm still running back to you. Oh, your life goes round in circles. All this time goes, I'm still running back. Oh, your life goes round in circles. All this time goes, I'm still running back to you. Back to you. Back to you. To you. I'm running back to you.
Seventh Rain on Breakfast Television. Wow, you guys, I know, now you're all out of breath, right? Well, congratulations.
Hey, thanks a lot.
So we've got Ryan, we've got Luke, we've got Richard, and we've got Phil back there on drums. So tell me about the big announcement when you won the Vibe contest. How'd you guys feel?
It was pretty crazy. Like, we stayed up all night the night before,
Yeah.
all together, and we just kept waiting, and we're like, when are they gonna announce it?
So
we
what?
had to do a few phone calls back and forth, but
Yeah, of course. So how's life changed for you since then? What have you guys got going on?
a lot more work, that's for sure. We're just figuring out who we want to record with, as in
Yeah.
producers and stuff. So we're kind of going through the list.
You're working
We're
it
flying
out.
to Vancouver to meet with studios and some producers.
Oh,
and
such is the life of a rock star, hey? And I was
Yeah.
asking, you guys are all from Calgary, which is amazing.
Yeah.
And I was asking you about whether or not your family would be watching today, and you said one person for sure.
that's my grandma.
Your grandma. Tell me about your grandma, because I was so laughing.
I know
when
you're not supposed to say a lady's age, but she's 89.
She's 89,
Sorry,
and you
Grandma.
said she comes
to every show,
every show.
parties it up, dances, like wears everyone else out, has way more energy than all of us. I don't know how
love
she
it.
can last.
So why don't you say hi to your grandma this
Hi, Grandma.
morning? Hi, Grammy. I
Hi,
know.
Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Richard wants to say hi to Grandma, too. So thank you, guys. Seventh Rain, thank you so much
Thanks
for
a lot
coming
for
in
having
this
us.
morning. You sound terrific, and I know we'll be watching you as you become big, huge stars. We've got headlines up next, and the latest